BMW C1 125 Best Motorcycle Review for V Single, not applicable gears. The BMW C1 is a motorcycle with a roof that doubles as accident protection. Be the smartest commuter in the city or the tunk in the naughty moped, depending on your perspective. Related, BMW C1 reborn as electric bike. The BMW C1's £4,000 price tag, it dropped by £600 when the 200 cubic centimeters version came out, was high for an overweight scooter, even if it did keep you dry. Few were sold and BMW were swift to pull the plug. Ride quality and brakes. Small wheels, quite a bit of weight and some of it's carried high, it's not the recipe for perfect handling. The BMW C1's not about scything round long sweeping country bends though, it's an urban dodger. It works fine in that role except it's a little wider than conventional scooters which can be annoying. Engine. The BMW C1's 125 cubic centimeters engine's an unremarkable 4-stroke single producing a respectable 15 brake horsepower. But it's a heavy motorcycle at 185 kilograms, all the 1000 cubic centimeters sports bikes weigh less. This means performance is pretty sluggish. The BMW C1 will pull away from cars when the lights go green but not by much. The 200 version, which was actually 176 cubic centimeters, is nippier. Reliability and build quality. Like all BMWs, the C1 is well thought out but suffers a few niggles. The oil pressure switch can fail, wipers judder, front wheel bearings fail, fork legs corrode and the headlight can overheat, which sounds like a big list of problems, but they're all pretty minor and not that common. Our BMW C1 owner's reviews show despite an average score, the bike is capable at what it's meant for, cheap commuting in cities. Value versus rivals. The BMW C1 is not cheap compared to regular scooters, but you get more for your money than most. BMW C1s have a real cult following and some owners have 2 or 3 to provide them with a supply for the future. Potentially a collector's piece. You'll probably have to travel to find one though, try Chaz Bikes in London, say one. Equipment. Yes, the BMW C1 has a roof and it doubles as a safety cage. The only comparable machine with a roof is Honda's non-UK gyro. The C1 has quite a bit of luggage space and it's pretty comfy too. There's even a seatbelt. Brembo brakes are great and ABS is an option. Massive list of optional extras including things like heated seat and stereo.